Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am MC from On8 and today's video I'll be showing you how I design this Shopify website. This website is perfect for paid business and any dropshipping businesses. This website is also mobile and desktop responsive, so it looks great on mobile devices. For this tutorial, I will be using software Shopify and Canva. If you are new to Canva, you can create a free account and use it to design logos, web banners and other graphics of your site. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first you are going to open Shopify and go to online store, then themes. I would recommend it just installing the original Dawn theme. When you click this icon, it will show you how the website is going to look in full screen, and when you click this phone icon, it will show you how the mobile version is going to look. Now I set the all color scheme. After that, I set the primary font and the secondary font. Next, click logo and upload brand logo and favicon image. Then I'm going to click on the announcement bar and I'm going to be displaying social media icons. Click theme settings, then social media. Here you can paste the links to your brand's social media pages, and those clickable social media icon will display on your announcement bar and on the footer of your website. Next, you are going to click color scheme, then set the color scheme. I am going to click on the shader, and under desktop logo position I am going to set this to top center. This way your logo will display the center of the website. When you scroll down and scroll back up, you will notice that the header will pop up. That is called a sticky header. Right here you can remove that effect. Next, you are going to click color scheme and set the color scheme. Alright, and next I'll be showing you how I design the main slideshow. First, I am going to import a slideshow, then I remove the image banner and the featured collection. Then I am going to remove the heading and the subheading and the container on desktop. You can go ahead and retitle this button level, then you can link it to a page or a product collection within your website. And set the desktop content position. Next, I am going to repeat those steps for the second slide for this section. I am going to apply the outline button style and set the under desktop content position. Click add blog, then I am going to repeat those steps for the third slide and set under desktop content position. Now you are going to click select image, then you can upload main web banner design. Under slide heights, I am going to set this to adapt to first image. Then I am going to set this pagination style to dots. Once you are finished, that's how I design the slideshow portion of this website. By the way, this Shopify theme template is available on my website. I have put together this fully done for you Shopify theme template in a downloadable format. For in case you just don't have time to design your website, if you are unfamiliar with Shopify template, after you order you will receive it in a zip file format and you can easily install that into your store. I have included a step-by-step installation guide to help you with installing and editing this website template. And this is a full template bundle, so I have also included all of the Canva templates. This pre-made Shopify template will save you a ton of time, and I will link that in my description box below. Next, I'll be showing you how I design the collection list. First, I'm going to import a rich text and I'm going to remove the description and the button labels. Then I'm going to import a collection list. You are going to enable the swipe on mobile, and you can also enable the view all button if your store has more collection. Then here on Shopify, when you click products and then collection, you can open one of your existing collection or create new one, and right here under image where you can upload that collection cover. Next, I will be showing you how I added the email sign up and the promo banner section. First, I am going to import an email sign up. I am going to retitle this section, then I am going to set the color scheme. Then I am going to import an image banner. I am going to remove the heading and the description, then remove the container, and you can go ahead and retitle this button logo and select a link. I am going to apply the outline button style, and this section is going to be perfect for featuring any new products or any important sales or discounts. Now I upload the banner and banner heights. I am going to set this to adapt the first image. Next, I'll be showing you how I added the FAQ section and the featured product collection. I'm going to import a featured collection. I am going to retitle the heading, then be sure to enable the swipe on mobile. If the collection you are featuring includes more than 4 products, then when you click select collection, you can choose which collection you would like to feature. For an example, most people feature their best-selling collection. Then I'm going to import a collapsible content. First I am going to set the color scheme, then you can retitle the heading, and when you click on one of the collapse row, you can select which icon you would like to change. I will just be using the question mark icon. Then you can insert one of your frequently asked question, then you can put your answer for that question. Once you have finished, that's how I added the featured collection and FAQ section. Next, I'll be showing you how I design the about us section. First I'm going to import an image banner, then going to remove the container on desktop and container on mobile. Then you can retitle the button level and select the link. I'm going to set the color scheme. Now I upload the image banner. Under image behavior, I'm going to set this to zoom in on scroll. Once you have finished, that's how I design the about us section. Next, I'll be showing you how I added the feature blog post section. First, I am going to import a multi-row. Under heading, you can type in a title for the blog post. Then you can type in a minute description for the blog post. And then you can paste in a link leading straight to the blog post. Next, you can upload image to represent the covers for each of those blog posts. By the way, this Shopify theme template is available on my website. I have put together this fully done for you Shopify theme template in a downloadable format. For in case you just don't have time to design your website, if you are unfamiliar with Shopify template, after you order you will receive it in a zip file format and you can easily install that into your store. I have included a step-by-step installation guide to help you with installing and editing this website template. And this is a full template bundle, so I have also included all of the Canva templates. This pre-made Shopify template will save you a ton of time and I will link that in my description box below.